If you need to graph anything in math, you can always do it by getting some data points with an x and y table. Yeah, it works by just, you get to choose whatever number you want to plug in for a variable and see what it comes out of the equation. So if I try to plug in a 2 into this equation right here for y, we're going to get 2 minus 2 makes 0. Absolute value of 0 is 0. Gives us an x coordinate of 0. That's a coordinate. 0, 2, that's a dot. It's going to definitely be on this graph. It's a data point. So let's try a few more. It's easiest to solve for y in this, to plug in something for y, so I'm going to keep doing that. In this case, plug in a 3 in for y. 3 minus 2 gives us 1. Absolute value of 1 is positive 1. Then maybe we'll try a 1 in for y. If I plug in 1 in here, 1 minus 2 makes negative 1. The absolute value of negative 1 is positive 1. And then we can keep the process going. Got a couple other points there. That's probably enough to graph and get an idea of what the graph looks like. X and Y system. There's a dot on 2. So there's our dots on the graph, and we can draw a line. You can see the pattern. That's the graph of the function. And the question was at the bottom here, is this a function? Something is a function if for one output we have, for one input we have one unique output. And here, that is not the case. A quick way of checking if something is a function is the vertical line test. If you draw a vertical line through anywhere in the function, it's only supposed to cross in one place. But look, that little white line I just drew crossed at 2 places, so it's not a function. It passes at more than 2 places. So that's the graph. Answer is not a function.